Hello everyone. Let's learn basic sorting function today. So if you have a list of data where you want to sort them in alphabetical order or the range of numbers from largest to smallest or smallest to largest, then this video will help you. Here I have a list of data where I want to sort them from A to Z in an alphabetical order. So what I have to do is first select the column and then go to sort and filter icon in the toolbar. If you click on it, you will get two options like sort A to Z, sort Z to A. I want to sort them in an alphabetical order, so I'm going to click on sort and filter and sort A to Z. If you click on A to Z, you will get a pop-up window asking how do you want to sort it. Basically, it will ask two options: expand the selection or continue with the current selection. If you give expand the selection, the data in E column will automatically get mapped with the data in D. If you just give continue with current selection, the mapping will not happen, only the names will get sorted. I wanted to sort with mapping, so I'm going with expand the selection. As soon as you click and give sort, the data and marks will get sorted in alphabetical order. Next, if you want to sort the data according to the range of numbers, like from largest to smallest or smallest to largest, first you have to select the data and then again go to sort and filter. It will ask like smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So I want to sort them from largest to smallest, basically to know like who got the highest one. So I'm going to give sort largest to smallest. Once you give largest to smallest, you will get a pop-up window asking for expand the selection or continue with the current selection. I'm going to give expand the selection and give sort. So the data has been automatically mapped and sorted according to largest to smallest.